Well, as the name says, floating vegetation survives on the water surfaces of water bodies in the ecosystem. Just to give you a brief introduction, all an insight of what an ecosystem is. This is a biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment. And in the ecosystem, the biotic and abiotic components are linked together, all liaised through nutrient cycles and energy flows. The systems are controlled by internal and external factors. The adaptations of floating vegetation or plants to living on water surfaces are many and vary. The most common ones include floating vegetation possesses flat leaves that lie on the water to allow maximum sunlight collection and absorption. The stems of the floating vegetation have large air-filled areas to increase buoyancy, which means the ability or tendency of plants to float in water. Many fruits of aquatic plants float on water, hence increasing dispersal as fruits and seeds float away. Floating vegetation possesses spongy tissue that helps them to move oxygen in air down to the roots. The essence of floating plants or vegetation in the ecosystem include floating plants create a habitat for some aquatic animals like worms, leeches, frogs, fish, crabs, shrimp, and crayfish. In the ecosystem, these floating plants act as a source of food for aquatic and wild animals. Floating vegetation helps to filter water through trapping soil, rotten matter, dirt, and polythene bags. The roots of floating vegetation also absorb nutrients from rotten matter like dead animals, decaying plants. Then again, floating vegetation decreases water loss through evaporation, which we call evapotranspiration, by providing shade or shading the water surface. So, if you are watching me and you're a student, a biology student, or an agriculture student, this is very important for you. You better take note of what I have just said. Please don't go away. I will provide more and more educative stuff, especially around science, because that is that last level before you go to the university. So, though by profession I'm an engineer, but I'm so attached to science, especially biology. Okay, guys, have a nice time. Please don't go away. Please subscribe. You will get very, very good stuff from me. Okay, bye.